Creatures called the Blobs.
Drippy blobbies, fishy, splashy blobs.
Creatures called the Blobs.
Bright and sunny, fast and funny blobs.
In Paint Box Land, if you're a blob, you can change for any job. Want to ski, just grow your toes. See the sea, just blow your nose. Flap your ears and pigs can fly, startling witches in the sky. It's puppy purple. It's not the night that's giving mousy brown a fright. There's ghostly white, what has he seen? Oh no, it's grouchy, grumbly green. There's the king, he's royal blue, and poppy red, she's popped up too. Creatures called the Blobs.
Drippy droppies, fishy, splashy blobs.
Creatures called the Blobs.
Bright and sunny, fast and funny blobs.
Creatures called the Blobs.
Drippy droppies, fishy, splashy, bright and sunny,
Creatures called the
funny
Blobs. Blobs, blobs, blobs.
Canary Yellow lived in Paint Box Land with Fizzy Orange.
Good morning, Canary Yellow. It's time to clean out your cage. And you can do your early morning keep fit flying exercises.
Canary Yellow loved to fly around Fizzy Orange's living room. Life in a cage is terribly boring. Maybe it's time to do some exploring. But soon, Canary Yellow grew tired of flying in circles. She wanted to find out what flying in the big, wide world was like. So, without a word to anyone, she flapped her wings and flew out through an open window. This is fun. It's much better than being cooped up inside Fizzy Orange's house all day. I've never flown this high before. I can see the whole of Paint Box Land from up here. Canary Yellow was so busy admiring the view, she wasn't watching where she was flying, and collided with Piggy Pink, who was coming the other way. Oh! Look out, Canary Yellow. You might hurt yourself. Piggy Pink, what are you doing up here? I'm off to the seaside for the day. Would you like to come? Oh, yes, please. I've never been to the seaside before. But you ought to tell Fizzy first. You should always tell someone where you're going, because they'll worry about you otherwise. Oh, no, not Fizzy. He won't mind. He never worries about anything.
Oh, dear! Oh, dear!
But Canary Yellow was wrong. Fizzy Orange was very worried indeed.
Canary Yellow, where are you?
He looked all around the room, but there was no sign of Canary Yellow anywhere.
Oh, no! She must have escaped whilst I was cleaning out her cage. I have to find her. She might get into terrible trouble on her own.
Canary Yellow was already in trouble. She just couldn't keep up with Piggy Pink. Left here, I think. Where did she go? Oh. Must have turned right. Piggy Pink! Wait for me! But Piggy Pink couldn't hear Canary Yellow calling to her. Soon, she left her far behind. Oh dear. I wish I had never left my comfortable, safe cage. The big wide world is bigger and wider than I thought. I don't even know where I am or how to get back home. I'm lost. Suddenly, Canary Yellow heard a noise above her. It was King Royal Blue, riding on the back of Inky Black's broomstick.
Oh, thanks for the lift, Inky Black. Whee! I do enjoy skydiving.
The king hadn't seen Canary Yellow sitting on the cloud. King Royal Blue, watch out!
Goodness me! Canary Yellow! What are you doing up here?
Oh dear, the outside world is too dangerous for a little bird like me. I wish Fizzy Orange were here. I want to go home. Meanwhile, Fizzy Orange was out looking for his little friend.
Oh dear, I've looked everywhere. She's never been out on her own before. She might have had an accident. The sky can be a dangerous place if you don't take care. I'm tired. How will I ever find her?
Just then, Puppy Purple appeared, chasing a big blobby balloon.
Woof, woof, woof. Oh.
Canary Yellow was still trying to find her own way back home. I'm sure Fizzy Orange's house is this way. No, it's this way. No, it must be in this direction, I think. Suddenly, Inky Black flew past in such a rush, she sent poor Canary Yellow spinning out of the sky.
Oh! Help!
Whoa! Help! Stop! I want to get off! Oh, I feel sick.
Stupid tree. It's blocking out the light. But I'll soon get rid of it. Timber!
Canary Yellow was so frightened and so upset, she thought she was going to cry. Oh, dearie me. I'll never see Fizzy Orange's friendly, happy face ever again. Suddenly, a giant face appeared before her. It's a monster! But it wasn't a monster. It was Fizzy Orange. He had been using the balloon to search the skies for his missing pet.
Canary Yellow! I found you!
Fizzy! Hurrah! I didn't think I'd ever see you again.
I've been so worried, Canary Yellow. Don't ever go out again without first telling me where you're going.
I won't. I promise.